Welcome to Best Reviews. If you're passionate about innovation, performance, and eco-friendly rides, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 of the most exciting electric bikes. Models that blend cutting-edge design, impressive range, and next-level riding experiences. Let's get started. Number 5. The Raleigh ONE. This e-bike brings back Raleigh's classic cycling heritage, now enhanced with the latest in electric mobility. It features a sleek aluminum frame, perfectly balanced for city commuting and weekend rides. The motor provides smooth pedal assistance, delivering just the right boost when you need it most. With its integrated battery design, you get a clean aesthetic while maintaining solid performance. Ideal for riders who value both function and style. The Raleigh ONE also comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, puncture-resistant tires, and a comfortable saddle, making every ride effortless and enjoyable. Whether you're cruising to work or exploring the city, the Raleigh ONE offers a refined, dependable ride. Number 4. Aventure 3 by Aventon. This powerful e-bike boasts a 750-watt brushless hub motor paired with a torque sensor, giving riders an incredibly natural pedaling experience. The removable high-capacity battery offers a generous range, perfect for long commutes or off-road trails. The Aventure 3 is designed with a sturdy aluminum frame, front suspension fork, and fat tires that absorb bumps and rough terrain with ease. It also includes an advanced LCD display that shows speed, distance, and battery status, all in real time. With integrated LED lighting and turn signals, safety and visibility are front and center, making the Aventure 3 a true all-terrain performer for the modern rider. Number 3. The Wallke Titan X1. This full-suspension electric bike features a dual battery system, giving you an extended range that few bikes can match. Powered by a mid-drive motor, the Titan X1 delivers impressive torque, ideal for steep climbs and challenging terrain. The bike's 6061 aluminum alloy frame ensures both strength and agility, while Shimano 9-speed gearing provides smooth shifting under any condition. It's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, air suspension, and a color LCD display that keeps you in control of every ride. For riders who love power, endurance, and off-road excitement, the Wallke Titan X1 is built to exceed expectations. Number 2. The ADO Air Carbon. Crafted from carbon fiber, this e-bike weighs just around 12 kilograms, making it one of the lightest electric bikes in its class. Despite its featherweight build, the ADO Air Carbon delivers impressive strength and agility. It's powered by a quiet, efficient motor with automatic torque sensing, ensuring every pedal stroke feels seamless. The belt drive system replaces the traditional chain, reducing maintenance and noise while enhancing durability. The bike also features a hidden removable battery, IPX7 waterproof rating, and an ultra-clean frame design that emphasizes simplicity and elegance. With its minimalist appeal and smart engineering, the ADO Air Carbon is redefining what an electric city bike can be. Number 1. The Luckeep X3. The Luckeep X3 features a carbon steel frame combined with a 750-watt high-torque motor, offering both strength and acceleration when it matters most. Its 48-volt battery ensures an extended range, while the all-terrain fat tires make it ready for urban streets, gravel paths, and mountain trails alike. The integrated smart display provides control over pedal assist levels, battery information, and speed tracking, all at a glance. For comfort and stability, the X3 includes front suspension, ergonomic handlebars, and dual disc brakes, a perfect blend of safety and performance. With its aggressive styling, high power output, and advanced riding comfort, the Luckeep X3 embodies the spirit of modern electric mobility. And that wraps up our look at the top 5 electric bikes of 2025. From city cruisers to rugged trail machines, these bikes showcase the innovation shaping the future of personal transportation. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world's best new tech and gear. Until next time, ride safe, stay curious, and keep exploring.